Hi, in front of me is VIVO V20 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to access Settings. Then scroll all the way down, choose System, click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. From here, tap on Theme and click on this plus sign under My Themes. Then select a photo by clicking on the chosen one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, tap Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap Done. Lastly, you can click on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them and tap Apply. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!